Look at that tree, isn't that gorgeous? Mighty oak. Boy, these bikes have got great brakes. This bike has got a 300mm single disc on the front with a dual piston vibri. On the rear it's a 240, I believe, with a single piston vibri. They've got ABS, anti-lock, you know. Loads of low end torque. Suspension is awesome. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know, we slipped the back tire on that one. That was pretty cool. What a nifty road. What a nifty road. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, no, no, no. Traffic. Oh, turning traffic. I think we just stay in the this pavement that we're on. I like that cabin. Do, 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 do. Nice, 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 nice. This bike handles it really well, the Scram. This is an excellent bike for this. Both of these bikes are, honestly. Hey, look at that old El Camino. Sightseeing while we're road racing? What kind of a life is this? Wow, this would be an awesome place to live, wouldn't it? Oh, that's a driveway. I thought that was our road. Wow, what a little racetrack. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at that up there. Swervy little sign. Love these hills. Wahoo!